Ferrari is not just a car. It is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, precision, and passion. The journey begins in Maranello, Italy, where design and performance come together.
Focus on the intake.
Inside Ferrari's design studio, engineers and designers shape each curve with aerodynamic perfection in mind. Digital simulations test airflow, balance, and downforce long before a single part is built. In the factory, advanced robotic arms weld lightweight aluminum chassis frames with millimeter precision. Carbon fiber body panels are molded under extreme pressure, creating a structure that is both incredibly strong and remarkably light. At the heart of every Ferrari lies its engine. Each V8 or V12 engine is carefully assembled by hand by a master technician. Pistons, crankshafts, and precision-machined components come together in a process that blends technology with craftsmanship. Every engine is individually tested, roaring to life on a dynamometer to ensure flawless performance. The painted body enters a dust-free chamber, where robotic systems apply Ferrari's iconic red finish. The surface is polished to a mirror shine. Inside the cockpit, luxury meets innovation. Fine Italian leather is stitched by hand. Carbon fiber accents are carefully installed. Technicians connect advanced digital dashboards and control systems, ensuring every wire and sensor functions perfectly. As final assembly is completed, suspension systems, carbon ceramic brakes, and performance wheels are fitted with absolute precision. Before delivery, each Ferrari undergoes strict inspection and high-speed track testing, confirming its power, control, and unmistakable sound. From raw materials to a roaring supercar, every Ferrari is built with passion, precision, and performance. This is not just manufacturing. This is the making of Ferrari.